to everyone. Welcome to the Nyon's kitchen. Today we are going to be doing egg roll. And with egg roll we have just 4 main steps. The first step, we boil our eggs. Secondly, we mix our dough. Thirdly, we put the egg into the dough and wrap. Then fourthly, we fry. Step 1, we are going to boil our eggs. So these are boiled and peeled eggs, and I will advise that always get egg that has stayed at least for 2 weeks, because we have the problem because it's a fresh laid eggs, so it's difficult to peel. Now we want to mix our dough. We have 1,000 grams of flour, which is equivalent to 1 kilogram of flour. You can measure it. We have 4 tablespoons of sugar. I don't like a lot of sugar. If you like more, you add. We have 1 egg, we have a teaspoon of salt, and we have a tablespoon of yeast. We have 1/3 cup of oil, and then we have water to mix. So just follow me as we go. So we are going to put in our sugar. We are going to put in our sugar. When we have put in the salt, put in our yeast. Mix it together. We are going to mix with your hand. Mix everything together. We now come in with our 1/3 cup of oil. This is to rub in so that it should have a good texture. We rub it in. So when you rub it in, it's like fine gari. Okay, look at it. You can hold and you can scatter. We now put in our egg, 1 egg. We don't need to beat it. We now pour into our water. So we put our water in bits. While mixing, remember we want to get a dough. So we are now putting our water in bits. Just be careful, let it not get soft. So the table is clean. We now put it on our working surface. Where we're working up. After rolling your dough, you cut it as I'm cutting right now. The shape you want, just cut before you roll, so that you should have the same size of it. Now we are wrapping the egg into the dough. So we are putting a bit of water here to help it stick, and we drag it together so that it can stick. Just help it stick. Step 3, frying. Finally, our egg roll is ready. So you can see. Please remember to share this video, subscribe, and also click the like button. And any of your difficulties, just keep it at the comment section. I will help you. Remember to tell me where you're writing me so that I can know how to. Thank you very much.